Nice little explore, eh? Oh, it goes quite deep. Water all in there. What's up guys, it's your boy Leg and I'm back out on another adventure. We've got Kristal Marie with us today, and today we are going swimming in some waterfalls. So let's spin you around and let's just show you whereabouts we are. I will do a voiceover and add lots of information on this place in the video, but for now let's pan you around and show you how you get to some of these waterfalls.
Now before we take you down on foot and show you just how we find some of these waterfalls, let's give you a bit more info about where we are. It's named after one of the highest mountains in South Wales, which is called Penifan. With an elevation of over 886 metres, this place is truly breathtaking. And just on the southwesterly edge of this national park is an area they call Waterfall Country. It's the upper reaches of the Vale of Neath what are given this name, and it's become quite a popular tourist area around the head of this valley, mostly because of its unusually large number of publicly accessible waterfalls. Now let's take you down on foot and show you just how we find some of these waterfalls we can walk behind and some even swim in.
Waterfall Country! We made it! We made it, guys! Oh, no. Oh, my bag's so big. Here we go. So, Ellerdere Trail. As you can see, you've got the signpost here. The Ellerdere Trail is the one we're doing. This one here. Look at these big rocks, the size of these huge rocks, all overhanging. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah. Look at this place, and you've got the water down here. Kristal, your job is to be the phone camera person for B-roll, for shorts and reels and stuff for my Facebook. Okay. Oh, like cinematic stuff. Now we have got 7 waterfalls to check out just today, and we've got another 7 to do tomorrow. But I think the final one we can actually, well, we're going to swim in a lot of them, aren't we, today? We're all packed up ready, we've got all our gear. It's going to be freezing cold, and some of them you can even walk behind the actual waterfall. So let's get into it. Let's flip you guys around, play some music and show you some of the cinematic shots of this beautiful place with the water, what's running through these nice canyons and rivers. Look at that. Look at this place, guys. Beautiful. Watch your feet, okay? So guys, as you can see, we've just got started on the trail, and this is the first part we've come along to. We're not even at the waterfalls yet, but look at this beautiful stream, how it runs through the rocks. make our way up this trail and see where we end up. Beautiful, isn't it? Wow, look up there. Look at all this overhanging cliff face there. Look at that, guys. Huge, huge cliff face here. And just some of these rocks are absolutely massive. So this trail today is called the Elidir Trail, and I will try and pronounce the names as a voiceover, but at the moment there's no chance of me getting them right. The last waterfall on this trail is said to be very, very hard to get to, so you've got to be quite experienced when it comes to hiking and stuff. Now, me and Kristal are going to take on the challenge, aren't we? And see if we can actually get there, but if we can, we're going to go swim in it as well, so that should be good fun. Or very cold and a heart attack, one or the other. Little cave. We've got to go down there. Come on. Look at this little cave. Look at this, guys. Quite slippery. Oh, wow. Quite slippery under here, Kristal. Look at the roof. So it all overhangs. Pretty cool little cave in there. Another little stream running out there. All those boulders. So Kristal's complaining that her bag's heavy, and we haven't even made the first waterfall yet. Listen to that. Look at that. Look at that. That looks like an old sort of church wall, doesn't it? Look at this, guys. Whoa! Slippery. You can even swim in that bit, you know. So guys, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We've still not made our way to the first waterfall yet, but this is the trail. It gives you a bit of an idea. All these little spots you can stop at, all these picture spots, all these spots for photos. Now obviously a lot of people what come here, they sort of just press on and just rush straight to the waterfalls, but to me, I'd like to just sort of make the most of each little spot and see what's here really, rather than just rush to the waterfalls. You're not very happy about that, are you?
I don't know it's that.
Bruh. Quick little selfie, guys. A cave over there, can you see that? Look at this.
Oh my god.
Full of rubbish. Look in there, guys. What do you reckon, a bat cave?
See, it's so weird how they discovered that church and like the caves and stuff here.
Yeah, look at that cave over there.
Yeah.
The side of the water.
lion. You know, like in the zoo.
Yeah, like lion's den.
Yeah.
Well, this probably runs down to that hole what you were talking about on the side. Oh look, a little waterfall as well.
Oh, keep you and your community safe.
Okay. Cool though still, isn't it?
So clear.
Careful on the rocks because some are slippery. So we ain't even got to our first one yet. How are you feeling?
I feel like I need to see more waterfalls to give me motivation.
Yeah, is that what it is? You're lacking motivation at the moment.
Oh God.
Watch your step. You got more fallen trees. Look at the size of that tree there falling down. Huge tree falling down there.
Oh my God, that rock is
Yeah. Oh, watch that bit sticking up. On our way back, I might climb that and get a photo on it. The tree. So guys, Kristal just spotted a cave over there. We're going to go over the bridge, check that cave out, and then make our way back up to the waterfalls. We want Eladir. Let's go this way and check the thing out anyway.
As we mentioned earlier in the video, today's trail we're taking is the Eladir Trail. This was named after a local boy called Eladir, who apparently, legend has it, he fell asleep on the banks of the River Ned and he was woken by two fairies. They then led him down a tunnel on the side of the riverbank to the home of the King of the Fairies. When the king said he could return home, he told him he must not tell anyone about his visit to the Fairy Kingdom. But Eladir did not keep his promise, and because of that, he never found the entrance to the Fairy Kingdom again. This is why this trail is known as the Eladir Trail.
Nice little explore, eh? We'll have to get my torch out. Doesn't look like many people come this way. There's a good spot though at that cave. Hey. Should be coming up on our left, shouldn't it? What do you reckon's in there? Here it is. Look at this, guys. Oh, it goes quite deep. Water all in there. Full of water. It's like an old mine.
This is just one of the very many abandoned silica mines in this area. They're underground networks what were dug for high purity sandstone and used in heat resistant fire bricks. They started becoming dangerous and like flooded mazes, filled with rusting equipment, colourful mineral deposits and unstable tunnels which would attract urban explorers and lots of photographers. Some of the tunnels are currently used to this day for photography workshops. However, ones like this are very hazardous and likely to collapse.
Okay. Does that not give you a dead arm?
So as we make our way down to the first large waterfall on our list, let's tell you a bit of information all about this place. You're going to have to bear with me with some of these Welsh names, but I'll do my very best at pronouncing them. So, our first large waterfall of the trip, what we're just about to stumble across, is called Secret Waterfalls, and it's translated to Lady Waterfalls, and there is a meaning and story behind it. It's around a 10-metre high tumbling waterfall off of a high ledge what runs straight down into a plunge pool. It's completely surrounded by trees and is absolutely breathtaking. It's possibly the most iconic waterfall in the Brecon Beacons and is part of a large waterfall trail what takes you through a stunning gorge of cascading waters and ancient woodlands, as you will see in this video. And if that's not enough, it's perfect for wild swimming. So with no further ado, let's get a drone in the air, explore this magical waterfall and tell you all about the history of just the first waterfall we've got coming in today's video. So I'm guessing you're wondering what's the history behind the name of this waterfall. So Gwlades or Gwlordus was once a Welsh female name, and it belonged to a princess, and it was her father who many years ago inherited this land. However, King Bryden disapproved of the person she fell in love with and refused her marriage. It was then she became massively depressed and was so deep in her sorrow that they say her spirit turned into the waterfall, constantly flowing her tears into the plunge pool even till today. It was then said when Inon, the man she fell in love with, found out, he plunged himself into the plunge pool, and it's said he then became the waterfall also known as Sigwyd Inon Gan, which is the waterfall we're going to take the treacherous hike to shortly after we've been for a swim. But the legend says now the two are together and their spirits flow as one once again.
Okay.
Yeah. It looked really cool, isn't it?
Baby girl, I said tonight is your lucky night. Peter Andre along with Bubba Rams, Bonnie Mike. I stop and stare at you. Walking on the Bruh. What did he say?
Now we've got that out of our system, it's time to go in search of this secret waterfall, which is apparently really hard to get to.
This little waterfall, guys. Another nice little one here. Look at that. What an absolute beautiful place, eh? So guys, we're just making our way now to the biggest waterfall of the lot, where we're going to get in and we're going to swim. It's apparently a really hard hike to get to it. Now, as you've just seen, we've just done one river crossing. We've got to cross this river again up here a bit, and then we've got to take a little goat trail down, which is quite a hard goat trail, pop some fallen trees, and we should be there. So stay tuned, guys, and find out whether me and Kristal actually make it safely to the waterfall so we can have a dip. Shh. This side, yeah, you reckon? That's where we're going, over there. I reckon you're wrong. I reckon this side is easier, up here. because you've got lots of hobbly bobbly bits there. This way's pretty straight across. I would say this way. Look at this canyon. How cool is this?
Oh, is that the goat trail? Look. There in between.
Yeah, well they join up, don't they? So, right, you're going to follow me, yeah? Some of these are really wobbly. Watch your ankles. Remember the technique, okay? Go for the dry points and double check where you put your feet. This one's wobbly, so we go over it if you can. That one's wobbly. These are quite wobbly. Okay?
Yeah. Imagine that person.
That one's very wobbly.
What one? That one?
That middle one, yeah.
Second.
Right guys, just like Kristal said, that's our second river crossing. Did you actually press record and film me at the top of that waterfall? Because when I took the camera off you, it wasn't recording. Oh no. Okay. Well, we'll have to get that one later as well.
You got it on your phone?
Yeah.
And I recorded it on your phone.
Yeah, okay.
But at the top it had a red thingy.
It had a little red dot, did it?
I swear it did, yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, so we've now made it across 2 river crossings, which are apparently dangerous. Which I thought they were easy.
Yeah, I agree.
And
Oh,
now we've come to this little goat trail, which we're going to make our way up this goat trail over the fallen trees. And I'm just trying to listen out
I can hear something.
if you can hear any water yet, because I can see lots of fallen trees here now, and I can hear the sound of rushing water,
So fun.
but I can't see the waterfall yet.
Exciting now.
I can't see the waterfall yet, but I can hear the sound of the rushing water over the fallen logs. Look at all these trees, guys, all fallen down. I hope a fallen tree doesn't fall in the river and wash down on us.
Thanks for that.
So like I said earlier in the video, guys, this waterfall, I'll put the name in as a voiceover. This is a lot quieter normally because of a lot of people find this one really quite a hard trek to get to. So
And I can now see what
it should be a lot more isolated. I mean, if I pan you around, just look at this trail. So you can see all the fallen trees and look at this trail. So we make our way up. This is what they mean
Whoa!
by the goat's trail. Sorry, darling. So you wouldn't want to fall down there. That's quite a drop. Watch out, watch your footing. Okay. So it is getting a bit risky here, but nothing we can't handle, eh, Kristal? Holly, prickly holly. Prickly holly, watch that. Yeah, a bit steep. Watch that tree's rotten. Don't put too much weight on it. So it's getting dodged, okay? Watch your footing. Do you want to have a breather or are you okay? Right, watch your footing here, because it can be very slippery, okay? Step over the rock, not round it. You still alright? If you were to slip, you reach and you grab the branches no matter how prickly they are, okay? Do not fall down on those rocks. The rocks are dead, you're better off with some stings and cuts. Okay? In a way I feel like you should be in front of me, so if you were to slip I could try and catch you.
The way I don't feel like that.
No?
You know, you put your feet.
Okay, that's fine. Just be fully aware of where you're stepping. Watch out.
Your shoes, the lifesavers.
Yeah, this is the dodgy bit, isn't it? Watch this bit here. Step over that bit there. Going down now.
Oh, honey. need to swim.
Again, don't touch this tree because it's fallen and it's loose. You don't want it coming down on top of us or whatever it's holding up the hill. Okay? It might not just be this, it might be whatever it's holding back up there. You got that? Under we go. I can hear water. Oh wow. Wow. I can. Looks immense. It's huge. It's huge. Look up there, guys.
Oh,
Can you see that?
yeah.
Let's make our way up the river. I think we're going to have to go up the river now, don't you?
Yeah.
Looking at it
Might be a bit safer.
on the rocks. Bit shaded, no sunlight here. Do not do your ankle in here. Pay attention to where you're stepping. Double check the rocks. This one is very slippery. Wet rocks, very slippery, okay? I've gone in. And my feet are dry.
Hang on, I'm not stepping on that one.
Yeah, your feet are wet though. Whoa, 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 whoa. Watch the slippery rocks. Get up over here.
Oh my god.
You wet now?
Yep. That's quite cold.
It's surprising how slippery those rocks are though, isn't it?
I feel them like I can walk straight through them.
Well, you might have to here because it looks like we've got to cross again. Isolated though. Really got to watch where you're walking. I know, but I am filming and looking where we're going and scanning a route. So I am doing multiple things here.
Yeah, but just watch where you're going too.
But these boots are pretty bloody good. Look at that, guys. It's going to be a bit colder here because it's shaded.
Yeah.
Look at that place. You okay? Right, we're going to go from here to here to here. This one's going to be a bit of a hop and up, okay?
Slippery.
Yeah, so hop and up, nice and quick, light footed. Okay, that's it. Get this tree over and under the trees. Watch the branches. Over this one, on top of this one, and down.
Oh my god.
It's because I'm filming, you know. I'm trying to get good shots and don't touch the tree, you go under. Look at that. There's a bit of sunlight.
Huh?
There's a bit of sunlight. This bit looks shallow. I'm guessing up there's a bit deeper.
Yeah, that doesn't really rocky.
I'm not sure how we get up there. Oh, there's a trail.
Oh, up there. But that
Yeah.
looks really good. Can you put my body in the
Yeah.
I want to swim in this.
Yeah, I do too. But I want to check up there, but that's not a swimming bit. Oh, it goes down this way. It just goes. It just goes down that way. I thought it went up there. Still don't fall off though. Yeah, I thought it went up there. It looks like it goes up there. It doesn't. Okay, you alright? Yeah, it's just like a ladder. Give me that jumper.
Oh, this might be a bit muddy.
That's alright. Okay.
But keep on your feet more than yours.
Well, that was a lot easier than I was expecting.
Yeah. Well, do you understand why they say it's dangerous?
Yeah, I do too, yeah.
Yes, you can swim this way.
Look at that. Look at this place, guys. How epic is that? So we've got that little bit there, what we're going to swim into. And it runs up
You can probably jump on that.
our own private waterfall. Look at this. The grand reveal. Watch where you're walking, Kristal, don't get too excited. Look at that, guys. Oh, the spray. Look at that. Bosh. Look at that, guys. What a beautiful place. You're going to go in for a swim? Woo! I've got to get out. We did it! Like and subscribe, guys, and we'll catch you on our next waterfall mission tomorrow for 4 more!